Chintu and Chinky were best friends who loved exploring the jungle near their village. One bright morning, they set off on another adventure with their playful friend, Nandu the baby elephant. As they wandered through the trees, Chintu spotted an old map sticking out from under a rock. It showed a hidden waterfall deep in the jungle, with a note that read, "Discover the waterfall and unlock a magical secret." Excited, Chintu, Chinky, and Nandu decided to follow the map. Along the way, they crossed wobbly wooden bridges, hopped over bubbling streams, and ducked under vines. Nandu used his trunk to move branches out of the way, and even carried them on his back when they got tired. Finally, after a long journey, they heard the sound of rushing water. They followed it until they stumbled upon a magnificent waterfall, hidden behind thick bushes. As they stood in awe, Nandu sprayed water into the air, creating a beautiful rainbow. To their surprise, the waterfall's mist revealed a glowing door in the rock. Inside, they found a treasure chest filled with glowing stones. Chintu, Chinky, and Nandu had discovered a magical secret. The stones had the power to make plants grow, ensuring that their jungle home would always be lush and green. From that day on, the three friends continued to explore, knowing that their adventures were just beginning.